Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing crispy air fryer chickpeas. Okay, so my research showed that there are a couple different approaches. One is to make sure they're thoroughly dry. Some recipes say that, some recipes don't. If you want to really dry them, you're going to have to peel them like this because moisture gets trapped under the skin. Now, regardless of what you choose to do, whether you choose to dry them or not, I dried them, but I'm throwing them in a bowl. One recipe said season them before, one recipe said season them after. I'm going to season them before. I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It's not extra virgin, but that's fine. And I'm just going to drizzle them over the top. So I'm using a 15.5 ounce can of chickpeas. One of the recipes calls for a 15 ounce can. The other recipe called for a 19 ounce can, which as far as I can tell doesn't exist. To that I am adding 1/8 a teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 a teaspoon cayenne pepper. You can use, if you want, a pre-mixed seasoning. Just use a teaspoon and you'll be good. And I'm just throwing it in there. And I'm mixing it around. Mix it up, mix it around. Yep. Get that oil and the seasonings all over them. They'll be happy. And like many things on this show, I am trying this for the first time, so it may need dialed in. If you have a regular air fryer, you can just stick these all in the bottom and it'll be fine. Just shake it up every now and then in the cooking process. I'm using more of a box air fryer, and to get the right results with that, it's easier to just throw it into this drum, because if I try to shake the box air fryer, it's just going to be a pain. I'm not doing it. The reason we're using the rotisserie is because it will move the chickpeas around so I don't have to shake them. We are going for 13 to 15 minutes. Before they can be declared done, I have to try one. Nope. Still soft. Okay, so they weren't crispy yet, so I'm upping the temperature. I'm assuming that it's because I didn't preheat, and also because I lost so much heat out the front when I opened it that it's not going to matter if I preheat anyway, but that's okay. We'll check it again in a couple minutes. The audio crapped out, so I had to record manually. The chickpeas came out nice and crispy. We're going to go ahead and add a big old pinch of salt. Then we're tossing to coat, and we'll add a little bit more salt just in case we mixed it up too much, and toss it again. The goal here is to mix it up pretty good. Give it a taste, make sure that it's right. Seems okay. Nice and crispy. So that's it. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.